and welcome to Thursday's Lunchtime Look. Last week I did a series of lunchtime videos launching some of the new products that Stampin' Up! Just released, whether it be from the January to April mini catalog, the Sale-a-bration brochure, or the online exclusives. The launch period is over for me. However, I think I may continue trying to do some lunchtime looks whenever I can. I will try to make it a regular occurrence on Thursdays. Might take me a little bit to get into the rhythm of that. But let's see what I have for you to look at today. In today's video, we're going to be using the Fruit Salad Designer Series paper, which is one of the Sale-a-bration selections. So for every $60 in regular merchandise that you order, you can choose something from that Sale-a-bration brochure. This fruit salad paper is 6x6 and it has different designs. We've got pomegranates and pears, kiwi, watermelon, looks like the inside of an orange and the outside of an orange, cantaloupe, we've got bananas. There are some other designs in here I only have partial sheets of because I've used almost the whole package. So we've got mixed fruit, there's pineapples, there's apples, there's oranges, and there's another mixed fruit with a bluer background, a pool party background. So I've already gone ahead and I've pre-cut some supplies. This is a piece of Daffodil Delight that measures 4 by 6.5. And I'm simply going to score it at 3 inches and 6 inches. Three and 6. We are just making a sleeve for a treat holder. Let's go ahead and fold and burnish on those score lines. And we need a strong adhesive to adhere this down. I'm going to use the glue. That is even stronger than the tear and tape. So you want to give it a little bit of time to set up. I just keep pressing it, let it set up for a little bit. In the meantime, what we can do is we're going to take this, and there's no right side up on this. We're going to adhere this designer series paper. So just get it however you want it to go. We're going to just make it flat right onto this front. And so this piece measures 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. So just 1/4 of an inch less than the measurement of that panel that you see. Now this next piece is totally optional, just adds a little bit more decoration. This is the diagonal trim. You could use any ribbon. I'll show you another ribbon that gets used in another alternate plan in a second. But you need about, I think it's 18 inches or so. And before you wrap it around and tie it, you're going to want to put the treat inside. And so that the treat that we're going to put in here are fruit snacks, which makes sense because this is fruit. So the idea from this came from a fellow demonstrator, Jennifer Drake, who hosted a swap that I participated in. So a swap is when we all kind of decide we're going to make one project and share it with others, and they're going to do the same. So I made 21 of a certain card, and then other people made 21 of theirs. Jennifer got to keep one project of everybody's, and then she gave us all one too. So she was in effect swapping at the same time. And so I got a bunch of different samples. And so you can see, you can just trim this now. Now we just need something to go on here. I am bringing in, it's not a new stamp set, it was new last year, Be My Valentine. And I'm going to use the Happy Valentine's Day and then these 3 little hearts. I'm going to just bring in a piece of scrap basic white paper. I'm bringing also in my modern oval punch I might as well just punch this first because I'm not punching anything out directly. Because I'm using the hearts in red, I'm going to, and I think I don't want to use the orange, I don't think. I mean, I could use the pumpkin pie, but I think I'm going to bring in the green here. I'm going to bring in Granny Apple Green and stamp my Happy Valentine's Day. And then my real red is what's going to do the hearts, of course. So we just have that really quick and easy. This makes great classroom gifts for Valentine's Day. Pretty simple and easy, and I think you'll find most kids love fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks. We keep a huge box in the house, mainly for my younger son, but I mean, who's not necessarily young, but. So I put some dimensionals on the back there, and that's what we've got. Really, really easy project. Easy for kids to get the treats in and out, but they don't fall out. It's nice and snug and secure. Here's another example. This is actually the one I got from Jennifer Drake, and she used a bundle that I hadn't really noticed. I noticed it a little bit, but not much. So there's this new punch. It's called the To the Point Label Punch. And then there's a coordinating stamp set. So this is a bundle, which means that you would save 10%. And you'd also get these this stamp set, which has a bunch of hearts. So great for Valentine's Day or just anytime you want to show somebody some love. And this one said, sending you a big hug. And you can see she used silver and white ribbon here. And she added a couple of pearls in different places, so you can really dress it up. That punch also coordinates with some other products, and let me show you. That punch also coordinates with these bright borders that have lots of borders, but also lots of sentiments as well. So that's what I've got. Just a quick and easy Valentine treat, perfect for your child's classroom or your grandkids, or nieces and nephews, or just anybody that likes fruit snacks. So what'd you think? Pretty quick and easy, right? Now, you remember, you cannot purchase the Fruit Salad Designer Series paper or anything else in the Sale-a-bration brochure. You can only earn it through other purchases. So for every $60 purchase of other merchandise, whether it comes from the annual catalog, the mini catalog, or the online exclusives, you get to choose a free selection out of the Sale-a-bration catalog. And there are a couple of Sale-a-bration selections that are $120 level. They're bigger and obviously worth more. But check that out. Don't forget, if you didn't get a chance to look at my Technique Tuesday class, go ahead and do that. I also have the option for you to get that free card kit by placing an order of $35 or more in my online store, but that's only good through this Sunday. And if you want to kit together with me and play bingo next Monday night, don't forget to register for that. Check your email. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great rest of your Thursday.